Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and yes, I have another Blythe doll. Like I said in a previous video, I have been collecting some extra Blythe dolls, some fakey dolls, and setting them aside when I see them on sale. There's been some pretty good sales on AliExpress lately, so when I see one at a really good price that I think might fit into a future collaboration that I'm doing, I'm going to start buying them. So here's another one. And if I remember what this one, this one's like way out of my wheelhouse. She's not tan, and she has fantasy hair. So in fact, she's very, very pale. Here you can see her hands. My goodness, yes. And in the box, wowee. Look how pale she is. And that hair, the hair is actually much brighter than I expected. And then she's got those pink eyes. Wowee. I do have plans as far as creating a character with her. I've been doing a lot of collaborations over the past year or so. 2022 is coming up with more collabs in sight for me. So I decided I should stash away some fakey dolls for future collaborations. And she is one of a few that I have purchased recently. Wow, her hair, it's like bubblegum colored. I mean, holy cow. And those lips. All right, let me take all this off of her so we can get a better look. Very fair skinned. Very, very light blushing, sort of a peachy blush and peach lips. Of course, she's got these pink front-facing eyes. Side parted hair. It's very thick and soft as can be. And yeah, she does have holes in her ears for earrings. All right, let me see what her other eye chips are. The pink would actually work for what I'm thinking of, but right, side gray, front blue, and side brown. The typical fakey stock eyes. Oh my gosh. So her hair, yes, comes down to her feet. It's layered a little bit. Super soft and shiny, not greasy, does not need a spa at all. Well, Takara's not making dolls anymore, so I guess we can't blame Takara anymore for that. So I'm gonna comb her hair out and put some clothes on her, and we'll take another look at her. All right, here she is. I decided to put her in a pink dress, pink, and her lips, like I said, are more of a peach color, but I think they work really well. She's exactly. I don't want to go into too much detail, but I mean, plus I could change my mind, but. Right now she is definitely pegged for a character that I'm going to create. So she is going to be something, a fantasy type character to go with her fantasy hair, which is gorgeous, super soft, beautiful. I always like the side parted girls, but yeah, I definitely have some plans for 2022 with her. So keep an eye out for that. I do have some collabs going on right now in 2021 still, but we are planning, Marna at Dolls Rescue Night are planning for collabs for next year already. And I might even just start making some of my own characters, even if I don't collab. I really like doing that. I really enjoy taking a doll and transforming it by basically making a costume for it. I think that's really fun, and it is something that kind of stretches my creative muscles, as I have said before. So it's an enjoyable pastime for me as part of the hobby. You know, a lot of non-doll people don't understand, you know, what we see in Blythe dolls, let alone dolls in general. You know, what do you do with those dolls? Stick them on a shelf and just stare at them. And yeah, I do that. But, you know, a lot of us like to craft and make, I don't know, I guess you would call it art. Okay. Even if you're not a full-on you know, customizer, I still think that some of this is really art. And so for me, the process of creating with these dolls is one of the things that I really like a lot about the hobby. especially the Blythe hobby, but even other dolls. You can do this with Barbies, and I mean, it doesn't have to be a Blythe doll. That just tends to be my preferred canvas, if you will. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. As usual, I appreciate a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and share my channel with other doll people that you know out there that might like it. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to grow my subscription base and trying to grow the channel, so getting help from my viewers is very useful for me and very important. I guess that's it then. I thank you guys for stopping by. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye. Bye-bye.